There was controversy right at the beginning of this particular match as well. There was no handshake after the toss between India and Pakistan. A gesture, or rather the absence of one, that in fact carries unmistakable symbolism. It's not just about cricket, it was about India's strong stand as well, both on and off the field. But by maintaining its distance, Team India has sent a clear, a very stern message to the Pakistan team and Pakistan itself, that the spirit of the game cannot be separated from the values that the nation stands for. Let me go back to Rika Roy. Rika, firstly, again, there were no handshakes following the toss, and there was some sort of controversy right at the toss as well. Break it down for us. Give us the details.
Okay, these are two different incidents that you're talking about, and I'm going to break it down for you. First, at the toss, there was no handshake between the two captains. There on your screen, you are playing out those pictures. But unlike in men's cricket, what we saw at the Asia Cup, there was an air of congeniality. These two ladies, when they were standing there, they were smiling. And even though they were not really engaging in a conversation, but they were there was nothing really to say that there was a standoffish behavior between the two captains. There wasn't an air of congeniality. However, with India having had the message of no handshake from the higher authorities, from the powers that be, none of the captains indulged in any handshake or any exchange of messages or any chat at the toss. The other controversy that you're talking about is that it seemed during the toss, what we understand from the feed of the broadcaster is that Pakistan captain Fatima Sana would have called tails, and it was heads, and the match referee called it heads, and hence it was announced that that Pakistan has won the toss, and they decided to bowl first. It was match referee's decision. I spoke to the ICC officials as to what they are saying. They tried to hear the feed over and over again, and they said that it is not very clear in the feed. Also, Captain Harmanpreet Kaur, India's captain, was there. She never raised any complaint. She never thought it was an issue. Yeah. So, clearly the matter has been laid to bed. Whatever the ICC match referee thought was correct at that point is what was announced.
All right.